Okay, C6 Corvette. The exterior electronic switch is not working. See the... here we go. It doesn't work every single time. It's been blocking. See, it doesn't want to... It does open. It's not opening. It's not opening. It's not opening. It's misworking. So we're gonna take this apart, clean it, and hopefully it will work like it's supposed to. Let's go. Okay, first remove those two Phillips head screws. Wiggle the cover a little bit, and we go and pull, and here we are. Door switch is attached with a pigtail connector, and you see it's pretty dusty, so maybe one of the reasons why. Little tab right here. Lift the tab and pull. It should come by itself. So now on the back side, you can take those apart. And this is a switch by itself. So what I'm going to do is remove, you have 6 more Phillips head screws. 6 of them. I'm going to remove that, expose the electrical contact of the switch. It should be maybe corroded, but certainly dirty. I'm going to clean that. Use the reverse side of a sponge just to scratch it without damage it, and it should fix it hopefully. And what you can do as well is use some dielectric grease, and to clean it you can use some electrical contact cleaner. This will be recommended for that type of work. So let's go take that apart and clean it. We might never use it, so we have the tendency to forget, but remember, you have a safety latch for the door that you can use in case of you're stuck inside or it is not working and you're carrying a passenger just temporarily. It will help you. So let's dust that off, remove the screws and see how it is inside. So again, just gently wiggle the parts. Let's look inside. It doesn't look as dirty as I thought. You still see some bit of corrosion right here on pretty much all the contacts. As well here. It's a little bit darker, so I'm gonna kind of polish that and go from here. So I'm using a scratch pad, non-abrasive scratch pad from an old sponge. Does look a lot nicer. Go gentle on your side just to make sure you not unload those little tabs. They need to be preloaded so the contact is proper on the other one. So you can even like preload them more by bending them a little bit, but you have to be very gentle on those. Okay, now we're going to put that back together. Just put the switch back into the cover. The pigtail can only go one way, pigtail connector. Just clip it. Make sure everything is properly inserted. Go back. Wiggle it in place. And let's test it now. Here we go, let's test and open the door. Nice and smooth, okay, so looks like it is working just nice. Hope you enjoyed the video and give it a thumbs up. Thanks.